Hey everybody, Tack Bishop here. A little broke down for once. I think I've lost my rear end going along the road here. I had the cruise set on about 59, and you know, all of a sudden you feel like you're not going 59 anymore. And I looked at the GPS, and it was all the way down to 51. Tried to pick up speed, and it was gone. And I'll show you something. I'm gonna put it in gear here. Okay, that's in first gear. Let out the old clutch there. And get my flashlight. The drive shaft turning. We are sitting still. If you look back there, you can see some grease on that back axle right there. That's our situation here. Right here in front of Beaufort Community College. Then they have a truck driving school too. They got a truck over there. Maybe I should become a teacher. Yeah, but that's my situation for the night. Broke down, waiting for the wrecker. I was gonna put the rectangles out, but nobody's out here. It's 2:30 in the morning, Saturday morning, and nobody's out. I've had one car thing go by. I'm standing in the middle of 264, Washington, North Carolina, and nobody to be found. Sunbeam thrift store. Lady just pulled up over there. She's getting ready for, I think they have breakfast or some kind of biscuit thing going on over there. But there's nobody out tonight. Anyway, just thought I'd let everybody know what my night has turned out to be. Tack Bishop on the side, well, in the middle of the road actually. I'm in the middle of 264. And he should be here in a minute though. All right. Check this flashlight. Look at that. All right, Tack Bishop, and I'm out.